Welcome everybody, it is I, Michael, the commentator. Now we have Kari Makaka down there on the start line, ready to go. We also have Teddy McTed as our flag bearer, and also Bobby McBob as the spectator. Now, Kari Makaka will start off the line and follow the Liney McLean line across the track. And then, at the end, he will bump into the sign to claim victory. We will begin in 3, 2, 1. He's off to a great start, inching his way across the line. Does those turns perfectly. He is still going on. Amazing speed. You know, he's a very shaky driver, but that doesn't matter. He's about to go for a big turn. Can he do it? He masters the turn. Still inching his way along the track. He's going around Bobby McBob. Oh, gave him a nudge. And now going all the way back. He's about to reach the finish line. And bam! Hits the sign. He has won this tournament. Yeah! Okay, you can stop now.